I'm here with my Sharper Image Bonfire S'mores Maker, and the question was, can it boil water if there's only about a cup of water in the pot? Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I'm using my small stainless steel milk pot, and I've added about 12 ounces of water to the pot. I wanted to add more than 8 ounces because I do anticipate quite a bit of evaporation as this heats up. So I'm going to let this heat up. I started a stopwatch. I'll be back in about 10 minutes to check on it. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now, so let's see what temperature the water is at. I'm using my instant read thermometer. All right, we're at 160 degrees. So let's continue to heat up this water and let's come back in another 5 minutes. All right, it's another 5 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. It looks like there's more steam coming up. All right, we're now at 190 degrees. I'll come back in another 5 minutes. It's been another 5 minutes. I believe we're at a total of about 20 minutes now. So let's see what the temperature is up to. We're at 200 degrees, 201. Yeah, we're at 201. So I'll let this continue to heat up for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. We're at 25 minutes of boiling time or cooking time or heating up time. And we're at 202 degrees, 200, 201, 202. So in previous experiments, I never saw it go above 202 or around that range. So I will continue to let this heat up for another 5 minutes, 203. If we get above 210, that'll be interesting. That'll be the first time I've seen it that high. I think the highest I've actually seen it might be maybe 205. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. Let's test out the temperature again. Let's see what's going on here. We're at 205, 206, 205. Right now I'm holding the thermometer directly against the bottom of the pot, and it's registering this number directly on the bottom of the pot. And if I raise it up into the water, it's pretty much the same. So that's after about a half hour of cooking time. It's now the next day and I am trying the boiling water experiment again. Today I'm using my Stanley camping pot and it has a lid. So let's see if the water will actually come up to a rolling boil if I heat it up with a lid on it. Inside this pot I have about 12 ounces of water, so the same amount of water that I used yesterday. And yeah, so I'll let this heat up and I'll be back. It's been about 12 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. Look at that, guys. We got a full rolling boil. It worked. There's a full rolling boil on this s'mores maker. So it says it's at about 207, 208, 209. And this is with the lid off. Maybe if I put the lid back on. Let's see. To 11.5. 212, there we go, boiling water. with the lid on. And I don't think this temperature sensor even goes deep enough to reach the water. But we got 212, so we got boiling water. So there we go. That's the trick for boiling water. You got to make sure that you use a lid for the pot. So while I have this water boiling, I might as well put it to use. Let's make some lentils. I just added a half cup of dried lentils. Let's give them a stir. And I'm going to cover that and I'm going to cook that for 15 minutes. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. It's about 10 minutes later. Let's check on these lentils. I like my lentils really, really soft. So yeah, they're nowhere near done yet. So it has been almost 20 minutes total. Let's see what's going on in here. Lentils continue to cook. The lentils are definitely much softer than they were. They're edible. I think a lot of people would be happy with their level of doneness right now. I'm going to add a little bit more water. And I'm going to cook these for another 5 minutes. But if you like your lentils with a little bite to them, they'd probably be done right now after 20 minutes. They're probably fine. So another 5 minutes have gone by. This brings it up to, I think, 25 minutes of cooking time. You can see it's still boiling away. I'm going to let this continue to cook. To me, they're not soft enough. I just like lentils really, really soft. Hopefully these are not old lentils and they will soften up. Alright, it's been another 5 minutes or so and the lentils are now done to my liking. Almost all the water has cooked off and they look like they're nice and soft. They're nice and soft and super hot, so I just turned off the s'mores maker. I'm unplugging it. So this worked really well. Today we learned we can boil water on the s'mores maker, the mini hot plate, if we cover the water, and I could also cook some dried lentils. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else can be cooked with this Bonfire S'mores Maker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.